So what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing an overview build on my $400 250cc 85 mile per hour racing mower. So let's get right into it. So starting off with this overview, I'm going to have all the links to the parts for this in the description, and let's get right into it. So starting off with the engine here, this is a 250cc Zongshan engine, dirt bike engine from AliExpress, Chinese company. Yes, they are legit. I've never not received a package from them. I'm not trying to support them or anything because it is directly from China and that's where our money is going, but it's actually a great cost for just this engine. Only $180 for this engine, and I got on discount, so I was able to get like a $30 off coupon code with it, and it was like ended up being $171, but it's great for that. And then next is this carburetor right here. I actually I tried doing my original dirt bike carb first. That did not work, so I had to buy this one, PZ30 carburetor, for only $12, I believe, and I did buy a throttle cable for it for $4. This throttle cable works awesome. I just hooked it up to a little janky gas pedal down here, redneck I should say, and then the wiring harness is what's next. So down here and everything, coil and everything. So that thing cost me about $65 off of Amazon, and it was a great purchase because this is the only wiring harness that will fit on this engine with the coil and everything on it. Otherwise, all the 200 cc's, and they say they go up to 300 cc wiring harnesses, will not work at all. And what's bonus is they also gave me a taillight with this wiring harness, but I do not need one, and I don't have long enough wires to stretch them. So next is I bought a clutch cable off of eBay for about $6. I just hooked it up to a dirt bike handle there, and it just goes right back there. And then how I hooked it up is I just took a bar from a dirt bike handle, and I just welded it onto the floorboard. Pretty janky, but I will hook it up to this clutch pedal one day. And then next is this 40 chain, which I bought 10 feet of it. Costed me about $18, and it was a great purchase, a great buy, and I totally recommend the company that I'll leave in the links. It was perfect, fun company and everything. So sprocket right there was a 3/4 inch shaft, 50-tooth sprocket for this thing. Otherwise, any smaller makes this thing go wickedly fast. So I just took this, and I also had this gas tank off of a snowblower, so I just bolted it in there. Kind of janky. Stock tires. The axle is a 3/4 inch axle off of bmycarts.com. Cheapest place that they can sell axles. I think this is a 35 or 36 inch axle, but perfect for everything. So next is all of my gauges and stuff. So I have this gauge right here. It's my battery gauge. Comes with 2 USB ports that power my speedometer right here. And then I have my temperature gauge right there, and hour meter and RPM gauge there. And then this switch right here powers up the headlights, which I'm having a little issue with them, so they're not fully coming on. But otherwise, that's for my instrument panel. And then this was a Craftsman LT1000 mower that I just got for free because it wasn't running. It won't clear up, but it wasn't running, so I got it running, and now it runs perfect. I did a pulley swap on it, got it to go 53, but you know, 250 engine is pretty wicked. And then starting off next is these $22 wheel bearings in the front tires here. And they are awesome tires here to upgrade the tires, because they're just running on little plastic bushings, which are not good. So these bearings make it tons safer. Wheels won't fly off, because I already had that happen. These bearings are great for everything. Come with new caps, come with new clips. Just hit them in there with like a hammer or something, socket. So, and the only other thing I had to end up buying was brakes. So the brakes are 3/4 inch shaft and like 150cc Tao quad brakes, and I bought an adapter for it off of eBay, and I'll just have to hook it on this side sometime soon. And then my caliper was off of Spare Parts ATV. But otherwise, this mower costed me less than probably $300 to build this whole thing. It's a great, awesome mower. This is my shifter right here. So, forward and reverse. There's no reverse on this mower, actually, because it's a dirt bike engine, but it's fine. I enjoy this thing like crazy. So, here's some clips of me driving it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for more. If you have any questions or comments you would like to add, just throw it down in the comment section. I'll respond to you as fast as I can. And stay updated or stay tuned for anything for more on this mower. Great build. I'm going to repaint it soon. Just stock, same green. If you have any suggestions, put them down in the comments. I just need to repaint small areas and down on the fenders over here and stuff. But great build, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe. And I just actually hit 200 subscribers tonight. So thanks, guys, so much for all that. And thanks for all the help you guys have given me. So you guys are awesome. Keep watching my stuff. Thank you for watching. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment for more.